More than 100 Laerdal tech enthusiasts gathered to learn about our digital future and what that means for us.
It's a very interesting topic for us strategically, so it's something we all need to know more about. So that's why we figured it makes sense to gather a big group that are interested in this topic, and then at least know what we're doing, because we're doing so many interesting things.
And that's one of the things that I would like with this, together with Frederik and Hans, that we're also building a community where we know who has been working on what and get inspired from each other.
I think it's really interesting that Laerdal is kind of jumping on trying to understand more about data and how it can be used. So I think it's pretty exciting.
Well, it's actually a great opportunity to be here because, I mean, speaking about data analytics, this is what we do at Beeline. And then lots of applications with Laerdal, lots of developments, and then putting everything in one place, having visibility, it's a big advantage. It gives us, at least to understand where we are going.
Most of Laerdal's devices are being used by customers all over the world, really. In field, out in nature, on roads, in hospitals and military bases, etc. So if those devices are connected to the Internet of Things, to Laerdal's platforms, then you could answer hardware, software, technical questions, sales, finance related questions, yeah, without having to go out and actually check each device. So that's the application of Laerdal, I guess.
The challenge, I think, basically is to prepare for what we don't know what is. So we don't know what data is going to be critical in 5 years' time, or what algorithm will be the best one in 5 years' time. So we need to build a capability which can navigate in that uncertainty. So we need to build the capability to be fast. Most of all, we need speed in our testing, in our explorations, in production setting, in developing dashboards or handling data. Speed, 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 such that we can do things more freely and experiment more and deploy easier. So speed is the overarching challenge, I think.
Often what you do and why you're working on this big data, you want to affect people, you want to affect their behavior. What are the incentives, the driving forces here, and how can we nudge people to do the things we want them to do?
The most difficult for many in Laerdal is how to spend the little time we get when we speak with the customers. So the more information we have that's accurate, that helps them succeed, that helps us deliver better services. And the customers understand that we understand them. That's the critical thing.
Well, clearly digital transformation is something that's coming big time in society, and we need to be proactive to it, and we need to capitalize on those opportunities. But our goal is not to be digital. Our goal is helping save lives, and digital opportunities is going to help us do that.
The most important thing, I believe we're on the right track. So, yeah, very, very excited about it.